Soon after Bill Chayak votes, Zion Roots. Don't know.
Aye, Rastafari in the jungle. Aye, da 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 da. Silver streams flow from the stone. Rivers sing a righteous tone. Washing scars from ancient days, carry souls in holy ways. No more thirst, the drought is gone. River chant the freedom song. Flow eternal, wide and deep. Rivers guard the truth we keep. Da 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 da. Underneath the morning sun, river blessing everyone. Cool the fire, cleanse the land. River guided by Chant. No corruption, no decay. River wash them all away. Every nation bow and see. River flow for unity. Da 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 da. Mountains bow before its tide. River strong and sanctified. Fisherman upon the shore. Hear the water speak once more. Secrets carried to the sea. River whisper prophecy. Every current pure and bright. River flow with joy delight. Da 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 da. Through the valley, through the plain. River heal the earth from pain. Roots them drink, the flowers grow. River teach what we must know. Babylon fortress fade to sand. River claim the holy land. Voices rise, the chant is clear. River say the truth is near. Da 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 da. Generations gather round. River make the holy sound. Everlasting, strong and free. River guide eternity. No more sorrow, no more fight. River shine the morning light. Flowing forward, never end. River rise, the soul transcend. Flow, flow, mighty stream. Carry on the righteous dream. Shine, shine, crystal bright. River guide the holy light. Rivers of redemption wide and pure. Carry truth that will endure. Flow forever, never still. River move by Jah will. Strong and endless, bold and free. Rivers bring the victory. Free the people and the animals, yeah, man. Smoke arise from Zion peak. Fire speak what word can't speak. Blazing torch of holy flame. Fire call Jah mighty name. Darkness flee before the light. Mountain fire burn so bright. Every stone begin to glow. Fire teach what we must know. Shepherds stand with staff in hand. See the fire cleanse the land. Thunder roar and voices sing. Fire crown the rightful king. Babylon fortress melt away. Fire mark the righteous day. Every shadow, every lie, fire consume beneath the sky. Pilgrims climb the sacred hill. Feel the fire, spirit fill. Heart ignite with holy song. Fire guide them all along. Eagle circle, drums resound. Fire shake the solid ground. Glorious blaze, eternal sign. Fire prove Jala divine. Even night cannot conceal. Fire of Zion strong and real. Babylon tremble, kingdoms fall. Fire of truth consume them all. Every ember, spark of grace. Fire of mercy fill the place. Glowing bright from age to age. Fire of Jah rewrite the page. Generations bow in awe. Fire fulfill the holy law. Everlasting flame, so pure. Fire of truth will still endure. Torch eternal, shining guide. Fire of Zion will not hide. Sacred flame, both strong and right. Fire of Jah destroy the night. Burn, burn, holy flame. Glorify Jah mighty name. Rise, rise, mountain glow. Fire of Zion overflow. Fire on the mountain blazing high. Light of freedom fill the sky. Never fading, never gone. Fire of Zion still live on. Torch eternal, bold and free. Fire declare the victory. Fire declare.
Aye, aye, aye. Zion Reggae, man.
Hear the thunder shake the land. Voice of Jah, his mighty hand. Echo deep across the plain. Thunder break the wicked chain. Every mountain start to move. Thunder speak the righteous truth. Babylon tremble, kingdom fall. Thunder rise above it all. Lightning flash and rivers glow. Thunder let the whole world know. Prophet hear the holy sound. Thunder shake the solid ground. No more silence, no disguise. Thunder open blinded eyes. Every echo pure and bright. Thunder prove Jah holy might. Strong. Thunder chant the Zion song. Every strike a sacred sign.
Thunder mark the will divine. Darkness scattered, night is gone. Thunder guide the morning sun. Every heart begin to see. Thunder bring the victory. Babylon try to hide away. Thunder still declare the day. Walls collapse, the towers fall. Thunder judgment reach them all. Every lie and every scheme, thunder break it like a dream. Echo loud both far and near. Thunder say the truth is here. Generations lift the hand. Thunder sweep across the land. Everlasting, bold and free. Thunder sing eternity. Voice eternal, sound so pure. Thunder truth will still endure. Glorious echo, strong and bright. Thunder shine your holy light. Boom, boom, mighty tone. Thunder never stand alone. Rise, rise, voice of flame. Thunder glorify your name. Thunder in the valley, pure and strong. Shake the earth with holy song. Never silent, never still. Thunder move by Jah will. Forever roaring, bold and free. Thunder sing the prophecy.
Oh, Rasta up on the way, I'm on. Aye, 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 aye. Oh, Rasta up on the way, I'm on.
In the garden secrets grow. Hidden truth we come to know. Every flower, every vine. Teach the soul our divine. Roots go deep, the branches tall. God and bless and guide us all. Every color, every shade. Garden where the light is made. Elders sit beneath the tree. Garden sing of prophecy. Birds them carry sacred song. Garden teach where we belong. Babylon cannot enter here. Garden keep the spirit clear. Every leaf a book of truth. Garden guide the heart of you. Morning dew and evening rain. Garden heal the world of pain. River flow and sunlight shine. Garden show the plan divine. No more hunger, no more fear. Garden make the blessing near. Every path a righteous way. Garden turn the night to day. Seasons change but still it grow. Garden where the spirit flow. Fruit of mercy, seed of peace. Garden gift that never cease. Babylon axe may swing in vain. Garden truth remain again. Everlasting, bold and free. Garden guard eternity.
Generation gather round, gotta make the holy sound. Wisdom bloom from age to age, garden write the righteous page. Every voice a sacred hymn, garden light will never dim. Ever pure, forever bright, garden shine your holy light. Grow, grow, holy seed, garden give us all we need. Shine, shine, wisdom flame, garden glorify your name. Garden of wisdom, strong and true, teach the people what to do. Bloom forever, never fade, garden where your light is made. Sacred blessing, pure delight, garden shine both day and night. I don't know.
Meditate and elevate your man. River flow from holy ground, Zion water heal profound, wash away the earth and pain, make the soul feel whole again. Every drop a song of peace, every wave make hate decrease. Come ye thirsty, drink and live. River of Zion always give, from spring to stream to mighty sea. River of Zion set we free. River of Zion, pure and wide, carry the people like holy tide. Wash the land, renew the soul. River of Zion make we whole. Every day in sun or rain, River of Zion heal again.
dark, no hidden light. Zion flame make Babylon cry. Every spark a holy sign. Every blaze a word divine. Children dance, the drum resound. Fire burn the wicked ground. From rock to stone, from peak to plain. Zion fire break the chain. Fire on the mountain burning strong. Light of Zion all night long. Flame of freedom, flame of love. Fire shine from high above. Day by day, year by year. Zion fire still burning here. Hear the crack of freedom call. No more chain fi hold at all. River flow with holy heat. Jah fire guide the people's feet. In a valley, in a town. Zion fire never drown. Touch of love we pass along. Fire blaze in every song. Ancient flame forever bright. Zion fire guide the night. Flame igniting heart and hand. Burn the lies across the land. Mountain rise with light so clear. Fire of Zion always near. No storm, no flood, no wall of stone can dim the fire Jah own. Fire on the mountain burning strong. Light of Zion all night long. Flame of freedom, flame of love. Fire shine from high above. Forever blaze, forever true. Jah fire carry me and you. Generation to generation flame. Zion fire call your name. Ay, ay, ay. Zion reggae, yeah, man. Ay, ay, ay. Zion reggae, yeah, man. Ay, 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 yeah, man.
Bada bim, bada bim. Whoa, oh kushina me lung ya man. Rise up, children of Jah. Morning light break the law. Babylon wall can't stand. Zion lion guard the land. Hear the roar inna the drum. Rasta know the king of it come. Strength of root, fire of flame. Every heart chant your name. Me see the banner rise so tall. One roar for freedom for all. Lion of Zion, strong and free. Guide the people cross land and sea. Stand firm, no fear, no chain. Lion roar, wash out the pain. Forever strong, forever true. Lion of Zion, carry you. Ancient word in a modern time. Truth still shine, mountain climb. Youth man hold the torch so high. Zion lion, never die. Every roar a holy song. Carry the weak, make them strong. One love on a wave so tall. Just salvation for all. From desert sand to ocean shore. Zion lion roar once more.
never leave Jah throne. Echo loud in heart and sky. Lion of Zion never die. Lion of Zion, strong and free. Guide the people cross land and sea. Stand firm, no fear, no chain. Lion roar, wash out the pain. Forevermore, the lion lead. Plant of love, righteous seed. Lion of Zion, stand so tall. One roar of love for all. Reggae of Zion, King Yaman. Early morning dew upon me locks. Me step barefoot over river rocks. Me path narrow, but me soul wide. Me carry Jah light pon the inside. Me chant psalms from me hardcore. Rhythm guide me like never before. Each step a prayer, each breath divine. Me walk in tune, me life align. This a sacred journey, no map fi read. Me follow intuition, not Babylon greed. Herb in a pocket, truth in a song. Me trod this road where soul belong. Me not need riches, me not need fame. Me only want love in Jah name. Sacred journey, Rasta man way. One love a lead me every day, yeah. Missy mountain, Missy valley. Me pass city and small alley. Some try test I throw me shade, but Jah give I strength. Me never afraid. Me humble like lion, who know him power. Me rise like sun, hour by hour. Me reason with trees, me dance with breeze. Me find peace in roots melodies. Me meditate under blue sky. Question life but never ask why. Cause every leaf and drop of rain teach I something for ease the pain. Me not compete, me not chase clock. Time not real pan Rasta rock. Me just move steady, slow and true. Jah carry me carry you. This a sacred journey, no map fi read. Me follow intuition, not Babylon greed. Herb in a pocket, truth in a song. Me trod this road where soul belong. Me not need riches, me not need fame. Me only want love and Jah name. Sacred journey, Rasta man way. One love a lead me every day, yeah. Me meet elders on me trail. Them share wisdom like holy grail. Them say Rasta youth, keep your fire. Burn them lies, rise up higher. Me chant rhythm under moonlight. Stars blink like them know I fight. Me path long but me vision clear. Me know Zion soon draw near. So if you're lost, just look inside. Jah compass there, fi be your guide. No need fi fear, no need fi rush. Just feel the earth, feel Jah touch. We all depend. Sacred ride, some slow, some quick. Some try hide, but truth call I like drumming breeze. Come walk with I, come find peace. It's a sacred journey, no map fi read. Me follow intuition, not Babylon greed. Herb in a pocket, truth in a song. Me trod this road where soul belong. Me nah need riches, me nah need fame. Me only want love and Jah name. Sacred journey, Rasta man way. One love will lead me every day. Yeah, man. Rasta man is I, man. Sun arise, me roll up the first one. Me give thanks to Jah, me day just begun. No rush, no stress, inna me lane. Me draw the wisdom fi cool me brain. Cali green, Jamaican strain. Heal the soul, take away the pain. It's not just smoke, it's prayer in disguise. Lift me higher, open me eyes, one draw. And me soul elevate. Me no need fast life or high state. One draw, and the spirit align. Herb teach truth, deep in me mind. One draw, and me chant and with the breeze, me heart beat like drum. One draw, and me find me peace. Herbs of wisdom, never cease. Me sip me tea, straight from the leaf. No chemicals, no kind of thief. Me garden full, me vibes stay fresh. Me wrap up love in a coconut flesh. Meditation by the riverside. Me take me time, me no hide. The world can spin, but me stay firm. Me blaze and learn, me reason and discern. Me no chase sight, me live for light. Me rest when moon come rise, when bright the herb me guide. The chant me shield, me step on life like sacred field. Me chant for youth when last I'm blind. Me blaze for the stuck in a Babylon mind. Me light it up for unity, call one flame, one love rise over all. One draw and me flow through time. Me see the system and me skip the crime. One draw and me spirit sing. Me feel the joy of natural thing. One draw and me no go low. Me hold the fire when the cold wind blow. One draw, me find Jah way. Each breath a prayer, me light each day. Me pack me bag with just a pipe. Me roam the hills, the energy right. Me meet elders with stories for days. Them talk about love and ancient ways. Them say Rasta man must walk in light, even when the world move out of sight. Use the herb fi open the path and take each moment like sacred bath. It's not stars blaze and vibes me king. It's how you live and what you bring. Herb is fi heal, not fi waste. Me burn it slow, me take me taste. Babylon say it wrong, me say them lie, cause me see truth when me reach high. Me see the matrix and me step aside. Me trod with love and smoke me guide. One draw and me rise again. Me give thanks for the healing rain. One draw and me chant for peace. Me soul find love, me heart release. One draw and me give Jah praise. Me light shine bright in darkest days. One draw and me find me way. Me roots deep down where the ancients stay.
Na 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 na. Zion Reggae. Deep inna the valley where the green hills meet.
river, pure and sweet. From Zion mountain it come down, blessing every village, every town. Water clear like crystal light, wash away the dark of night. Every drop a holy sign. River of Zion forever shine. River of Zion flow on free, carry your love from sea to sea. Every soul can drink and live, all the healing it can give. Me walk along the river bend, feel your spirit like a friend. He tell me tales of days gone by, of prophets' prayer and battle cry. Me see the children laugh and play, splashing the blessing every day. From root to branch, from leaf to vine, I'll give thanks for Zion sign. When drought come try fi crack the land, river still strong by Jah hand. Even when the sun ablaze, water keep the fire in praise. Babylon dam can't block the flow, Zion river always know. It find a way through rock and sand, spread your love across the land. Me fill me cup and take a sip, feel your blessing on me lip. It cool me mind, it calm me soul, make me spirit pure and whole. River whisper, child don't fear, Jaja kingdom drawing near. Every tide a sacred beat, like Naya Bingil drum so sweet. From morning light till setting sun, river of Zion still a run. It carries song from shore to shore, calling people to love once more. We see the elder staff in hand, bless the water and bless the land. River run till time is true, flow with love so pure and true. Flow high, flow low, through the hills and valleys slow. Bring life, bring peace, till all the sorrow cease. No chain, no gate, no wall can stop the Zion river call. River of Zion flow on free, carry your love from sea to sea. Every soul can drink and live, all the healing it can give. From mountain top to ocean deep, river of Zion we always keep. Zion Reggae, yeah man. This are the chant for the people. Same blood, same sky equal. No matter color, no matter creed, love are the only seed we need. From ghetto yard to mountainside, Jaja love we not hide. Me lift me voice for all to hear. Unity come draw near. Chant for the people day and night. Guide them through the holy light. Chant for the youth them inna the street. Pray Jah guide them every beat. Every voice come join along. Fill the air with righteous song. Chant for the people far and near. Jah Jah blessings always here. Even when the war drum play, me chant for peace to rule the day. Me chant for the healing of the land. Planting love with every hand. Every nation, every tongue, sing the chant from old to young. Me see the vision clear and bright. Chant for the people through the night. Me chant when the rain come down. Me chant when the sky turn brown. Me chant in the good and bad. Me chant for the joyful and the sad. No matter season, no matter time, me chant in rhythm and in rhyme. When the sun set in the west, me chant till me soul find rest. Me chant for the prisoner behind the gate. Pray for Jah mercy before too late. Me chant for the elder, wise and kind. Me chant for the lost, fi help them find. Me chant for the mother with newborn child. Me chant for the wilderness running wild. Every word a arrow through, piercing lies with Jah light too. Chant high, chant low, like river, it must flow. Carry hope, carry peace, till all the suffering cease. From sunrise till setting sun, chant for the people one by one. When the drum beat call me name, chant for the people just the same. Chant for the people day and night. Guide them through the holy light. Babylon walls soon tumble down. Love I wear the royal crown. From valley low to mountain steep, Jah Jah love we always keep.
Ay, ay, ay. Zion reggae, yeah, man.
Flowing pure from holy ground, river of Zion, sweet sound. Cool the thirsty, heal the weak. River bless the soul we seek. It wash away the stain of wrong. Carry truth and carry song. From mountain top it find the way. righteous strong. It healed the wounded, bless the poor. River open every door. From source to sea, it never cease. River of Zion, carry peace. Me drink the water, me soul restored. River flow from Ganja Lord. No poison there, no bitter taste. River flow with love and grace. It guide the children, guide the youth. River shining with the truth. No drought can stop, no chain can bind. River bless both heart and mind. It shine like silver in the night. River glow with holy light. It call the people, call them home. River say no more to roam. It bless the elder, bless the meek. River truth is what we seek. Forever strong, forever near. River of Zion, flowing clear. When the trumpet call again, river wash away the pain. It rise eternal, never dry. River flow beneath the sky. From Zion peak to ocean wide. River carry holy guide. Love eternal, peace divine. River of Jah forever shine. Flow high, flow deep. River of Zion, blessings keep. No dam, no wall can stop the wave. River of Jah forever safe. River of Zion flowing free. Wash the people, set them free. No dry season, no divide. River of Jah, eternal tide. From mountain spring to ocean shore. River of Zion flow evermore. Zion reggae, yeah man. Go on. Built with stone of living word. Temple of Zion, voices heard. No man hand could raise so high. Temple built by Jah Most High. It stand forever, never fall. Holy temple for all call. Every prayer a sacred sound. Temple bless the holy ground. Temple of Zion shining bright. House of peace and house of light. Every spirit, every soul. Temple make the broken whole. are forever great. Temple of Zion shining bright, house of peace and house of light. Every spirit, every soul, temple make the broken whole. From first stone to endless day, Temple of Zion always stay. Na 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 Zion reggae.
Upon the throne of righteous King, Zion power everlasting.
before the sun peek over hill. Me hear the earth so calm, so still. Bird a sing them holy song. Tell the world fi right the wrong. Me stretch me hand to Jah above. Feel the warmth of perfect love. Me light me fire, me brew me tea. Morning in Zion set me free. Morning in a Zion, breeze so sweet. Drum of creation in a heartbeat. Every step a blessing true. Jah paint the sky in red and blue. Me walk the path through garden gate. Herb in bloom, me give thanks great. Me see the elder on the stone. Chant and reason both Jah throne. The youth them gather, smile so wide. Morning light in a them pride. No Babylon, chain can bind. Zion dwell in heart and mind. The mountain mist start drift away. Reveal the hills in gold array. The goats them climb, the river shine. Every sign a Jah design. Me hear Naya Bingi drum from far, calling we to who we are. Morning bring the truth again. Zion life run through me vein. Step through fields where flowers grow. Smell the breeze and feel it blow. Children laugh, the elders cheer. Morning blessings everywhere. Me share me fruit with neighbor true. Pass on Jah love in all we do. From little seed to towering tree. Morning in Zion set we free. Before the noon me lift me song. We keep the day both bright and strong. Every chant a seed we sow. In Jah garden it will grow. Morning in Zion never fade. It's the start of works we made. Me hold this light till day is done. Zion shine like the rising sun. Rise up, morning call. Stand tall, Rasta, never fall. Chalice burn, vibration high. Praise Jah sun in the sky. Every leaf and every tree tell the story naturally. No man can dim Jah light. Morning push away the night. Morning in a Zion, breeze so sweet. Drum of creation in a heartbeat. Every step a blessing true. Jah paint the sky in red and blue. From sunrise till the day is gone. Morning in Zion still live on.
Ganja Ganja is the medicine, yeah, man.
Bassline hit like heartbeat in a womb. Drum roll rise and clear the gloom. Me tune in deep to the cosmic wave. Reggae sound soul we save. Each note a prayer, each chord a flame.
Burn illusion, call your name. Roots vibration in a eye bones. Me feel it deeper than sticks and stones. Roots frequency guide me soul. In a rhythm I lose control. No need fit talk, just let it play. One drop teach I more each day. Sound system lift I high above. Bring me closer to Jah love. Roots frequency feel it strong. This are the heartbeats all along. Select a drop, the vinyl clean. Me close eyes, me start to dream. Me see people come together true. Different skin, but one blood true. Babylon tried, divide with fear, but roots music bring I near. Me chant with elders, chant with youth. The reading reveal universal truth. Me nah need tech or flashy screen, just a speaker and a tambourine. Me feel the bass line deep in chest. Remind I say I truly blessed. Me nah rush, me nah chase fame. Me just want people feel the same. In a dance hall or under tree. Me soul tune to the frequency. Roots frequency guide me soul. In a rhythm I lose control. No need to talk, just let it play. One drop teach I more each day. Sound system lift I high above. Bring me closer to Jah love. Roots frequency feel it strong. This are the heartbeat all along. Late night session, moonlight beam. Me skanking time to dubwise dream. Engineer mix it with holy hand. From Zion straight to every land. No border can stop this wave. No chain strong enough fi make I slave. Music a weapon, music a bomb. Cool me soul, keep I calm. So turn it up, let it roll. Rhythm speak to the deepest soul. From trench town yard to African shore. Roots frequencies, open door. Jah in the echo, Jah in the drum. Hear the message, salvation come. So listen keen and feel it true. This reggae built for I and you. Roots frequency guide me soul. In a rhythm I lose control. No need to talk, just let it play. One drop teach I more each day. Sound system lift I high above. Bring me closer to Jah love. Roots frequency feel it strong. These are the heartbeats all along. Jamaica pushing at the paper, yeah, man. Roots dig deep in sacred ground. Every heartbeat, reggae sound. Freedom grow like ancient tree. Branches stretch to set we free. Babylon storm can break the root. Zion strong with holy fruit. Every leaf a word of Jah. Every branch a guiding star. From seed to root, from root to sky. Freedom tree will never die. Roots of freedom grow so high. Touch the earth, reach the sky. Never cut, never bend. Roots of freedom got no end. Deep in soul, forever strong. Roots of freedom carry on. Children gather round. Zion, draw me near. No wicked walk, no liar tread. Only righteous soul is led. It wind through valley, climb the hill. Path of Jah is holy still. Every step I chant a prayer. Path of Zion, take me there. Path of Zion, straight and true. Guide me spirit, guide me true. No more wandering, no more wrong. Path of Jah, keep I strong. It glow at night, it shine at dawn. Path of Zion, never gone. It lead the youth, it lead the old. Path more precious than fine gold. It break the chain, it heal the heart. Path of Jah, a holy start. Forever shining, never lost. Path of Zion, bear no cost. Me walk alone, me walk with friend. Path of Zion, never end. It bless the humble, bless the meek. Path of truth, all people seek. It call the soul, it call the name. Path of Jah, forever same. Every step a holy song. Path of Zion, keep me strong. It rise above the dust and fire. Path of Zion, lift me higher. It guard the children, guard the land. Path made true by Jah hand. It shine with hope, it shine with peace. Path of love will never cease. Forever bright, forever sure. Path of Jah, forever pure. When the trumpet sound again, path of Zion still remain. It lead the faithful, lead the kind. Path of Jah, eternal mind. From earth to sky, from night to morn. Path of Zion, ever born. Eternal road, eternal flame. Path of Jah, forever same. Step light, step strong. Path of Zion, lead along. No hate, no war can change the way. Path of Jah, forever stay. Path of Zion, straight and true. Guide me spirit, guide me